The pelvic girdle. Kanina it was pectoral. This one is pectoral day joke. This is the pelvic pectoral joke. Okay, so yeah, the parts na yeah.
So first ilium.
So these two
Long bone.
long bones, anterior bone, which articulates with the transverse processes of the vertebra, so it's connected to the vertebra. Okay, next ischium. This one.
Posterior flatline. So what is that? Ischium.
This one. This one. That one. And then the ones that or the mid-ventral portion is called
Ischiac symphysis. I don't know how to pronounce it.
ischiac symphysis. Next, we have the acetabulum, a cup-shaped depression. So
This is depression. Note
where
that the glenoid fossa is also a depression.
yeah, and then what connects to that?
The head of the femur.
Femur,
So this
which
is the
will be
head of-
discussed later,
Yes.
is attached to. See?
See?
Okay, next. And
The pubis.
the pubis, so that one. The triangle thing. The one that looks like a triangle. That one.
Ah, yeah,
One
this
there.
triangle.
And then the two pubes from both sides have a mid-ventral portion called the pubic symphysis.
So,
And then later, when we get home, we will note the three bones that contribute to the formation of acetabulum.